I always look fat when I use a wide angle. What's going on, guys? Back in the garage. Haven't been in the garage for a little while. I had a baby, so I'm right now. I'm on paternity leave, and for 3 weeks, I took 3 weeks off. In those 3 weeks, I'm gonna try to do some garage stuff, but a lot of it's been like, in the house bonding and stuff like that during my time off. And before, like 2 weeks before, I haven't been like really in the garage. I know you're supposed to spend 30 minutes a day working on it, but I decided, you know what, I'm gonna leave the car alone, be stress free. I'm gonna enjoy my sleep while I can. And I just kind of hung out the house and bonded, had a baby and bonded again. So now, back in the garage, I'm setting some stuff up. I still got some stuff coming in, so that's a future episode. But today, like the subject said, like the title said, I traded my wheels. So let's look at my wheels. Had style 42s on here, some rollers, and somebody wanted the style 42s to rebuild his wheels. So, I got some things on there, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're working with now. Yeah, they're kind of ugly, but whatever. Yeah, they're just rollers, don't matter. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding, but y'all probably thought I was talking about the Apex, and yeah, I am talking about the Apex. I traded the Apex wheels. I traded those wheels too, so that actually wasn't a lie. I really did trade those wheels. But yes, the Apex wheels are being traded. Sorry. Thought I'd have them longer than a month, but like I said, they'd probably be temporary. I only got them because they were 17s. If you're not familiar with the Apex wheels, not that you're not familiar with Apex wheels, but how I got the Apex wheels, I got them in a raffle, so they were free to me, but I can only choose from the flow form section. And that was the only option for 17s, and I want to try 17s. So someone on Instagram posted that he wanted to trade some wheels, and he said, anybody got some wheels? I said, got these Apexes. So I'm gonna trade him. We're gonna meet up with him in a little bit. About to head over to Global. It's a good meetup spot because he has to take his tires off, put his new tires on those, and I get to bring home some new wheels. So they are 17s. They're about the same specs, a little bit lower offset. Let's throw these in the car, go to Global, and get some new wheels for free, by the way. Oh, I gotta get the wheels. All right, Apex wheels. That was short-lived. I'm just gonna take Sam's car today. Got some things on it. Everything's clean, so I'll take this car today. And it'd be easier, so I know I'm not scratching anything. We're on our way to Global now. I just want to touch on the daddy subject real quick and tell you how it feels to be a dad. Maybe you're about to be a dad, maybe you want kids in the future or something like that. I want to tell you how I feel. And so far, it's hard to explain. It's still so new to me that it hasn't really hit me yet. And I think part of that is because I'm just off. So I feel like I'm on vacation and I'm babysitting. Like, I know it's my child, but I think when I go back to work and things get more back to normal and there's still an extra child there, I think that's when it's gonna really hit me. But right now, it feels like I'm babysitting. It feels cool. It makes me feel like I'm more important in the world. Like, not that I'm suicidal or anything, but it makes me feel like I have more to live for. And that's a new feeling. And it's hard to explain right now. But like I said, it just hasn't really hit me yet. It's like so new. The baby's a week and 4 days old. Maybe 3. I lost track of days because I'm not at work, but it's so new that I really don't know how to explain it yet. That's all I got so far. I guess we'll see how I feel in the future. I'll update you guys. All right, I'm home. Well, at Global. Might as well be home because I'm always up here. And every time I come up here, Marinez is towing a car. What's up? Marinez is always busy, man. What's up, man? All right, took the wheels inside. I'm just waiting on the guy to get here. He's actually driving here on the wheels. We're gonna trade wheels and gonna put his new tires on. I think I explained that already, but we're waiting here. So whenever he pulls up, you'll see what wheels they are because he's gonna have them on. At least I think. We'll see. Just wait. My wheels are here. My wheels are here. What's going on? No, not those. It's these, actually. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I wanted these wheels a long time ago. Almost bought them. I didn't, and now I'm getting them. I love these wheels. I fucking love these wheels. This is perfect. See, it's lined up pretty good. Made a mistake, man. I dropped Sam's car off while I was up here to get an oil change, and they got our car, and they're about to do the wheels, and I left the center caps home, so I'm gonna go run home with the center caps. I can't take Sam's car because it's on the lift. You would think I did this on purpose. Center caps. I can get used to this thing being in my driveway. Oh my God. Start never gets old. Never gets old. I got the wheels on, but the offset's low and it's rubbing his coil. Yeah, I can see it actually vibrating. I wouldn't drive it anymore. Wheels look good. These wheels do look good. They always look good, but damn it. No. So we're looking for spacers right now, and hopefully get him right so he can go home. But he can't drive like that. It's rubbing the coil. Alright, so we had a little dilemma with the other wheels. The offset was too high and it was rubbing against the coilover, so I needed spacers. I got spacers on that piece of shit, so we can go ahead and just take those spacers, and I'm gonna just give them to him, and I'll worry about this shit later. I worry about this car right now. I forgot I even had it. So we got spacers. Now we're going back to the shop, and you should be good to go. Alright, we're back at Global again. Got the spacers off my other E36 that I keep forgetting I even have, and you can put those on the front. They're 15s. That should clear the coil over so he shouldn't scrub or rub anything, and then he'd be able to drive home, because right now he can't even drive. So we're going to go back in there, swap the spacers in there. We'll be good to go, and I can go home. I'm glad this place ain't far, because this is my third time coming up here today. Got the big boy toys up in here. Dang. Hell yeah. Arcades always look good. Alright, he's satisfied now. Now I'm gonna pick up my wheels from the shop, and then we're going home. I'm pretty excited. I love these wheels. I thought these wheels looked sick a long time ago. I wanted these wheels a while ago, and I almost bought them, but I was like, let me finish the car first and then figure out what to do with wheels. And now I got them, so things worked out. Ha! Alright guys, I'm home. Wheels are home. Car's already pulled outside. You know what happens next. Time for a quick little test fit. I think they'll look good. I really like these wheels, like I said. And the offset is actually lower on those wheels. I think they're 17 by 9.5 plus 12 offset. So they'll poke a lot harder than the other ones. And I won't need a spacer. That was the other guy's problem. He was running these wheels, and then he switched to the Apexes, which were higher offset, and they were, you know, hitting his coilover didn't have spacers, so took the spacers off that car and gave him those, and we're good now. So he drove home, everything's good. Let's see what they look like on my car. Ooh. That fitment's perfect. Wow. Ooh. Oh my God. That's perfect. That's perfect. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I like these so much better than the arcades. Ooh. These are sick. These are sick, man. These are real. I really, really, really like these. I am 100% satisfied. Oh my God, they look so sick. All right. I'm so happy now. I didn't think I'd like the red center caps. I thought, they make yellow center caps now. I was gonna do yellow because I don't know, yellow's cool. But the red kind of matches the taillight, so that looks so good, dude. Fitment's perfect. They got a little bit of brake dust on them. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off real quick. Oh, they look even cleaner now. Oh my God. Ah, bruh, these things are so clean, bruh. These things are sick. Bro, I'm so happy right now. I am seriously hyped. Like I said, fitment's perfect. I still got a spacer in the front, but I still have the camber adapters in, so I'll probably take those out later, and then that'll get rid of the front camber. Then I can remove the spacer, and fitment should still be on point. Right now it's a 25 mil spacer in front, and they're already plus 12, so that makes it negative offset in front. I don't need that much offset. That's a lot, but these look sick, man. I'm really, really hyped on these. I think they're perfect. They're perfect. I'm really happy. Like I said, the apexes are cool. I like the apexes. They look really good, but you see them everywhere, and I personally, I wasn't really hyped on them, but given the situation, they were free. They were 17s, couldn't complain. And then now that I traded for wheels I actually really want, now I'm like really, really happy. So it all worked out. So I got some of my favorite wheels right now for free. That's so sick. That is so sick. I'm so hyped right now. I can't get over this shit, man. This shit just looks perfect. This is perfect. So I've been thinking. No surprise, I'm always thinking. I like the wheels the way they are, but I'm also thinking about changing them up because I don't want to just have like the way they come. I might not. I'm still thinking. I got two options. They're like machine face and like a machine polished lip. They look good, but I'm thinking like I could either take this to somebody, I already have that person in mind, and get the whole wheel seriously fully polished, or I can get them powder coated in white. Hear me out. I know white sounds a little ricey, but the wheels, the design of the wheels, they kind of look like those what are they, Regamaster Evos or something like that. Probably said them wrong, but they have that same design as those wheels. And if you ever see those wheels, majority of the time they're white. They come on like the old JDM cars and they look really sick. So I mean, that might look sick in white. I mean, it's just still thinking, but maybe I'll do some photoshopping or something like that and try to figure out what I want to do. But I know the style alone looks sick. So the style definitely has me hyped. I don't know whether to just keep it like that, get them fully polished, or go white. So I don't know. Undecided right now. I got plenty of time. Not doing anything right this minute. But bottom line, I'm happy. And that's gonna do it for this video. Put everything away, go back in the house, and thanks for watching. Tell me how you feel. I know some people are gonna be mad because they love Apexes, but you know how I feel. I don't really love Apexes like that. So I'm not sorry. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew I was gonna get rid of them, but I didn't think I'd get rid of them in like the first month. it just happened. But I'm happy now. I'm extremely happy now. That looks so damn good. I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. All right, well, that's gonna do it. Deuces. See you in the next one.